Hi students, I think all of you are well and healthy by the grace of God. Today we are going to learn how to transfer or convert a positive superlative sentence into positive and comparative. So there are 5 rules to convert a superlative degree into positive degree. First of all, you have to write number 1, no other. No other. First of all. Then after degree, adjective degree you look, comparative for degree form you look, there are 3 forms: positive, comparative and superlative. So here superlative degree given longest. So first of you write no other, then after degree whatever have you write all. After here degree is longest. So after degree whatever have you all write. So no other river in India, RIVER, river in India. Okay, this is number 1, this is number 2 formula. Number 3 is auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb is given here is. So you write is. This is number 3. Number 4 is you write the positive form of the degree. So here longest superlative degree, its positive form is long. Its positive form is long. Okay, then you guard it by as. Means here before long write one as, after long write one as. Okay, as long as. This is number 4. And number 5 is, then you write subject. What subject is given? The Ganga. So you write here the Ganga. This is number 5. So how it is the easiest form. Okay. So no other river in India is as long as the Ganga. Okay. Similarly we can do this also. First of you all you write no other. Then after degree, here degree is best, superlative form. Good, better, best. Here degree is given best, superlative form. So after degree whatever have player in our team. First of all no other. Then after degree whatever have you write player in our team. This is number 2. Number 3 is auxiliary verb. Number 4 is positive form of the adjective. So here adjective is best. Its positive form is good. And you guard it by as. Before adjective one as, after adjective one as. Okay. Before positive degree one as, after positive degree one as. Then you write subject. He. Clear? Very easy. Now it is positive degree. Next, comparative degree. Write as comparative degree. So to make it comparative degree, we have to write first from the beginning you have to write up to degree. To make comparative degree from subject up to you have to write degree, but you write the comparative form of the degree. Okay. So the Ganga is the longest. So you write the Ganga is, here superlative degree given the longest, but you write comparative degree, comparative form. The comparative form is longer. After that you have to write then any other. First of all from subject up to degree, but degree is comparative form. from subject up to degree, but you have to write comparative form of the degree. After that you write then any other. Okay. Next, after degree whatever have you write all. River in India. River in India. It is comparative form. Okay. Same this also we can do. We can write this also from first up to degree. From subject up to degree. So he is, and you degree like comparative form. Good, better, best. Comparative form is better. Better. He is better. After that we have to write then any other. Then any other. After that, after degree whatever have all right. Player in our team. Player in our team. I think in your English grammar book, that means an approach to English second paper, there are so many questions. So you try to do from there, and when our class will start, offline class will start, I will check your copy. Question you will get from there. In an approach to English second paper book. In this book you will get question, you solve from there. You try to do from this book. When our offline class will start, I will check your copy. Okay. Next day I will teach another one. Another formula I will teach. Okay. So up to this much now.